Monju mulgiriria na gukwani bona ndonzi asobereta semargoba yabono chinga kichindi nende gukwaligania semesa ya mangana mayanya ari gukumanyigati yale twabereto gukwaliganiria kurase mambe yale ngentambe wekachinse chigabono chiabono margoba litukunelia Jumapili stariki emerongebere omutinyo gatatu mwaka w'ikiri bubere na merongebere nebere na mange abereka okolekana inyirabuno mu governor we county osoyo kuligie kero kyo governor kurase county ya Kisimbarati igagendrete kwana na amenyukurwa ase chinse chia maiko anekiago chigokora aisegoso asensemo yoborai nabo igomo bwa Kenya kwanza na azimio nigo bagendere chikambeni chiabo ase chinsemo ao ime yense ya Kenya ayu amo nenda mange na kwariga ningo sansamuranere ase enchira yelibwa olitokubwatira nere kurwasumuno hwimanyirio igakuruko Joshua Auta na nchereterane nkuruko Vincent Onyancha. Nigo toko ya chaga kurwa sensemo ya siasa anekerogo kelia kerekyo women rep ime county ya Kisii nigo kagendrete kungusa abarwaneli au yobonga weso kyankurwa sensemo ya bobasi omanyakanete buna Mourinho bino oyeso kinagoteba nachi gokora mange maega yokubekirwe gutwali tukulia lero omulikeito Mildred Mumanyi norobochirwa senchira yoboikirano
Ekerogo kyobo women rep korwa county ya Kisii nigo kegendrete kongusa abarwanireria bange busio bw'obochori obonene. Omosubati Mourinho bino korwa ebunge ya bobasi nigo esokirie eliokoba oyomo bw'abaria bakurigia ekerogo kyobo women rep ase aene kirigo chegokonya bangina abana amono mugusi ase obwamo.
Rero ne rituko rinene sana togwakira Nyasaye mbiamono na ande tigantebe asa abanyagetinge baminto na akire mono. Aso gocha kombwate si tufanye hii sherehe yetu ya kufana na ya kunisindikiza niweze kuenda kupigania kina mama wazee abangina babora ka bana chintakana PWDs, persons living with disability mora oirarire ko barwanira mora ngiti ori okarenge chinga kiche independence noyo
abangina bensemiyo yabo basi abo bamwa ebisiona komosoka chiganchwa chegekoro eliokoro kya ogwakwa maguta na kumwanchira koligia ekerogekyo
mwana oyo iye chingobe chemini ngebegerwa igasokiwe kuri nyumba abayibuli baye ise nyina sokuru kiaye abangina koro eibanchira niringatuamo irobura kutigagenda aburi oburayi
chinga kiechechyo nigo abarai ao bakubolia ekerogo korwa ekiama kya UDA babolia koenekia omorembe chinga kiechi chobochori obonene boli bosio
nimba ate message yaranda abingerwa kulingana siasa gendrete toga kumanyana kitokora siasa no morembe tokoramana nande toga tote yaba message bande togotumeke chana bube chana tuyabite tumekobe bale bako bachibesa bana koraba abantu online itaka basiasa ya magendro nade toka batoko ani siasa ngabino yo matukuna ya igo intebenga tigatobe togo skana totiye koramana totiye tisirana abakero montanya libaga kuanzisha chia.
Na yale ambayo ningependa kusema ni kwamba leo tuko hapa katika eneo la Bobasi kufanya jambo la muhimu kumuhitimisha dada yetu pia aweze kugombea kiti ya ubunge wa county yani woman rep.
Yingo lipotelea egataseni kia Ndizi TV iletaliane Mildred Mumanyi.
Biyamono omulikito Mildred Mumanyi hasoro bochirwa senchira yoboikirano togotigana nere Mildred Mumanyi abanyanyimbo bono kurwa se county ya Kisii bakorogo no county commander Francis Kohori nigo batebire baletya na nigo bebekirange koene kibuna omorebe ngochire gotingigwa haso bochori bone bole bosio ano mutinyo gatano na gatatu koli ka okwana ni gatebere buna igo babekire merobiri seine koene kibuna ombali gochigoto sumoro belionde bwensi todigo chigoturubanibwa ekero bochori.
Is our colleagues on the manuals that have been rolled out to all police officers so that they are acquainted with themselves with their key responsibilities and the mandate that they have to ensure we achieve the end results in terms of providing safe and secure elections. And our Inspector Generals and the two Deputy Inspector Generals have given us guidance, and we appreciate that we've been guided throughout, and we've been given the skills and as early as possible, so that we come here to operationalize the resolutions of our conference and to ensure that our officers are well equipped in terms of being ready for the elections that are coming.
Na chinga kicho umunyakirobo bwekyombe kya NCIC National Cohesion and Integration Commission niganya rigakobolia abantu kone kibunanko bekabaro mulembe asobo choriyo bonebo gochigokolekana omutinyi ogatano na gatatu hachinga kicho boigo niga ate abuna ebaguchiko ene kibunanko ene kibale ngoikirani bale obulendi boisaine anaso gotwara oso ogotatwara wanchiria konde wensi na maskani gotoka na sabantu bali bale nobolema engana yegwo koboko no muwazina bweguno muliki botambe aze wizara yobocheni Dr. Masimwangange asabo igo umotene bwekyombe kilikia abantu bale nobolema anyara gote abuna abantu bale nobolema boigo banyara kanyali bagali abene na boigo gosikwa sobo choriyo bonene bogochiokoleka no mutinyo gatana na gatatu mwakojega buchiri bubere na merongebere nebere.
Let us agree to enjoy the richness of diversity. Diversity should not be used to exclude anybody on the basis of ethnicity, on the basis of religion, on the basis of race, or on the basis of any other identity.
Disability is not about impairment of someone. We always remind the communities and the society where we live. It is about the barriers that is put across millions of us with different forms of impairment. The barriers are twofold: to make us less productive and to be isolated from the society.
Na weekend semo ya siasa kiombekeni futra kinigo giate birebu na hobo chori obone bwara gokolekana asenga ke yabono imeye county ya Mombasa nigo omubunge kurasense moya muvita Abdul Samada alego chikubu hobo chori obukolengano botukie kiombege kiabereke okora no nabo nigamenyukuru asense na batare sokya na gote yauna nigo gochiko koboko anasekero kyobo governor ase county yo ya Mombasa.
Held between the 9th and the 12th of March. Abdul Samad Sharif Nasir had the highest score of 48%, followed by Suleiman Shabal at 18%, Hassan Omar Sarai 5%, Ali Mbogo 4%. The rest had 1%, who included Omar Mwinyi, William Kingi Kazungu, and of course we had others who had insignificant percent. But of course it is important to note 21% of the voters in Mombasa County have not yet decided who they will vote for.
Na ekirokilisi ya segendrete kobetanse ase chinsem oimeye county ya Kisii oyokoligie kerokyo bo governor Simbarati nigo atigareta gote abuna nero beritibo ikirano asobo chorio bonne bogo chigo kolekano mutinyo gatano na gatatu mwako yegabu chiri bubere na merongebere nebere asebono Simbani gagendrete gokwana na abamenyi kurwose abali bali chinse chia Michael sabagusibali chinse chia Michael asagendrete kwerana raliago chigokora aisego choroko bo omo governor ase county ya Kisii Simbaka ukwana na amenye kuransemo ya diaspora nigate birebuna nero beritibo ikirano na kone kingo chiara koleta magendro asense ya Kenya tigatorna lyagendrete ekeragendrete gukwana bonige ya Amayia Eyemo na abantu sabagusi barasense chiria chia Michael.
With our brother Wenga, they had started a microfinance, but it was, it's the one which was started in the US. But we want to see if we can have one. You can imagine in Kisii, we have all the national banks, the 26 of them, plus Central Bank of Kenya. We opened an office in Kisii. Therefore, is a center of business. What if we had our own microfinance or a financial institution that take care of our points within the county? Number two is to collaborate with the National Treasury to create Kisii County Infrastructure Development Bond. The only county and the municipal county which had a bond is Nairobi, but he died some time back. an important thing that if we have a bond, the county bond, which we can channel our resources and we can develop through it in loaning many institutions. Partnership in key sectors like education, health, art, and sports, water access involvement. Though education is a national government responsibility, we have ECD, earlier learning, earlier education, child, as it were, in all aspects of other products, because like China has opened the importation of avocado from the country. Surprisingly is that we produced seeds from Kisi. They were germinated in Muranga. Grafting was done in Muranga. Now Muranga is the leading producer of hash avocado, whereas the seedlings or the seeds, they were gotten from Kisi. Avocados were gotten from Kisi. Avocados were gotten from Kisi. Then they were fermented. The seeds were moved from inside. Germination were done. Grafting done in Muranga, and now they are leading in the production. People they are selling, they are making good money. Indeed, in the country, Muranga is leading, even in terms of income generating. And our brothers from Central, they are working very hard in terms of those products. My dream is that one day I've started this program through the Ministry of National Irrigation Board. They gave me around 20,000 seedlings of avocado, which I've distributed across the county, and a few farmers from Nyamira too. Sugar factory in South Mugango, which was a dream, which has not been realized. There are investors who have promised that they are going to invest in that factory. We help our people. As we are talking right now, there was chaos at the boundary of transport.
Na boigo nigo tokumanyigwa buna mayaga yo gutigana na Simbarati ekaragendrete gukwana na abagusi bari kinse chia Michael na boigo na Richard Mumonyonga nere nigo tokumanyigungo cyari gukwana na abagusi bari kinse chia Michael bari tubakora na kinse mu diaspora ekaragendrete gotebana lya gocha gukorera abagusi ane county ya Kisii ekarana guchikoriye kerego kyo obo senator gotigana na yo kurase county ya Kisii goikase county ya Homa Bay nigo kumanyigwa abuna oyo koliye kerokyo bo governor se county yo Gladys Wanga nigo obono nigo bagendrete ose nigo obo kumanyigwa buna honyonga nigo chinga kiechinerara sensemeyo tigango tomanyana ya gendrete kerokeria bagendrete gukwana ose agendrete gukwanera na ya guchigikirania ekero bakubwate na Simbarati gakoliga kyo bo governor no nyonga koliye kerogo kyo obo senator.
It's an interesting community because when I worked in the Ministry of Foreign Affairs, it was one of the issues that was brought to my desk. So I'm very happy that Governor Simba is actually seized of the issue. We understand what your responsibilities are. We know what you have done. Everybody comes to Kisii and looks at the big buildings and the successful investments, and you look at an economy that is growing, and yet it looks removed away from the rest of Kenya. But it's because our community works hard and you people send money to us. And indeed, we work very hard as a community to succeed. Our decision to join our brother Simbarati, for me as a person, was because I felt I needed a team of individuals that we could work with who were seized of the issues which were affecting our people, and especially a lot of money.
Togenda to consent of a togo kumanyaria gendrete kerono Simbarati kolikero kyobo governor na boigo na Richard Monyonga oyo kolikero kyobo senator kerobagende to kwana na bagusi kurwa chinse cha Michael walitokoroka kurchinse mu ya diaspora na ralia ya baguchwikere kerobarakole omusangarakanoso enkwane yubagendrete gokwana gotigana na yubono na boigo totigale asensemo ya siasa abangina kurwase county Homa Bay ni gobatebire baguchikumubwatsia oyo koligie karokyo bo governor kurwase county yo Gladys Wanga na bogwanga ni gatebira chikubenyera abasubati anekobekerania magendero aisogo choroko mo governor we county yo ya Homa Bay.
Katika jimbo la Homa Bay ndio mama wapate afya mzuri, ndio mama Wamama wakienda hospitalini wapate matibabu mzuri. Usiwe na mama hata mmoja ambaye atakufa akizaa. Wamama wawe na pesa mfukoni, na pesa ya kufanya biashara. Hiyo ndio tunataka kwa wamama wa Homa Bay. Na mimi leo nashukuru sana hao wamama wa Homa Bay wa ngazi tofauti. Hapa na wakasema kwa kauli moja na kwa sauti moja, viongozi kina mama, wamama katika chama, wamama katika health, wamama ambao ni wafugaji, wamama ambao ni watu wa agriculture farmers.
Na uyu kabiru moseneta bwe county ya Kitui David Msila nigesokiri na goteba niga guchikurigie kirokyo bo governor korwa ase county yo Msila nigatebire ganga yaye no guchikone kiango chiare gukuru bukurumi ase county ya Kitui nigoba guchigutie mana chinguru nere Julius Malombe na boigo na kiema Kilonzo goiterase kiama kya wipa niganyara koboria wantu kumubwatsia aso guchikubekerania magendero asense meyo.
Mkinisapoti nyinyi watu wa kaunti ya Kitui kwa kunipigia kura, mimi nitaweza kupunguza shida zile ambazo mnaona nyingi, kwa sababu nitamaliza ufisadi, nitamaliza wizi wa pesa za umma. Yale mambo ambayo nitaahidi hapa, usiniulize pesa itatoka wapi. Pesa itatoka ile ambao nitasimamisha wizi. Hiyo pesa ambayo inaibiwa katika kaunti ya Kitui inaweza kusomesha watoto wetu, inaweza kutengeneza barabara, inaweza kutupa dawa, inaweza kufanya chochote tunataka kwa sababu inatosha.
Na umuriki we kiama gya Jubilee Jeremia Kioni ni gatebire buna umurai we kiama gya ODM Raila Amolo Odinga nero gochiko bwa chikura chinyingi asobo cholio bonne bole bosio ka ukwana ni gate babuna abakenya bange ni gobarane kwe ose ni gobarokane kwe bwatirania na azimio la umoja ekyo bale no bokenne buna ambachi kumwakira chikura chinyingi asobo cholio obonene bole bosio ni gochinga kechio ate yabuna okubwatirana na gukokora mokonyera Amolo Odinga gochiko bumurayo gatano asobo cholio wobochi okorekana mutinyo gatano na gatatu mwako yega wochiri bubere na merongevere nebere.
Let me tell you this so that you tell the people who are following this thing called good barrels. Wabie hivi, this thing is over. Raila Amolo Odinga 2007 got 44% of the Kenyan vote. Sikiza, that is 2007. 2013 with all the combination ya wale wengine wote ambao hucheza rounding, wakienda wanarudi, wanatembea, wanaenda wanarudi kwake. 2013 he got 44% of the Kenyan vote. Remember 2007 was 44%. Akakuja akapata NASA 2017. Again Raila got 44% of the Kenyan vote. Anatafuta vote percentage gani? 6+. Ukichukua kura za Mount Kenya, uchukue 10% of the votes ambazo already amepata, uongezee kwake, ameingia Ikulu. Wewe ujiulize sasa, kama baba ameshaingia Ikulu na wewe huko opposition na umeona mapema, wewe ni mjinga. Hello? Are you getting? Yes. Na hii ndio makasiriko ya William, kwa sababu he already knows yeye anatengeneza opposition. Na ndio matusi ambayo anaweka kwa hali ya juu, kwa sababu ameona hii kitu imekwisha.
Na umonogeri we bunge ne Justin Muturi ni gamo chiri bali bagote abuna ngotigale kurigiye kerko kyobura ibwense ka ukona kurwa sensemo ya sagana ase kanisa ya St Paul ACK ni gomuturi ate abuna hereno hale asetebe gwekengoria sobo chorio bonne bole bosia na komochi bali bagendrete gote abuna ngochiale gotiga kuborie karogekyo Muturi ni gatebere buna iganga ya ene yo gochikobumura ibwense ya gatano asobo chorio bonene bole bosio.
As you just said, I am one of the people in the contest later this year for the presidency of the Republic of Kenya on Democratic Party tickets. And mine is one that is based on simple, verifiable issues of integrity, both by the leadership and by the followers or supporters, order, both of which combined will give us as a country prosperity, which we all desire and deserve. That is all. That is my level of politics. Integrity. We need to be people who can be trusted. We need to be people who first trust in God. Because whatever it is that we may desire, we may have all these fantastic dreams, but if we don't put God first, all becomes vanity. And therefore, we must at all times first seek ye the kingdom of God first. Kwa hivyo mtasikia jina Justin Muturi mara kwa mara, JB Muturi mara kwa mara, wengine wanasema mali safi, siasa safi. Hiyo yote in one. God bless you and God bless our country. Asante.
Thank you so much. We really appreciate for your presence, and may the Lord bless you and see you through in all what you are doing.
Tigana na roboti urubono goika so roboti ronde turigereria mangana Asia somo bwa Kenya kwanza nigo bangendera ni chikambeni chiabo ase county ya Murang'a litukoria rero bakora wono mukonyo Wense William Ruto oyubo igore omrewe kyama kya UDA nigo bate abuna ebago chikogendera gosirana na kubwaterana haso kureberia nago chia sobo cholio bonebole bosio Ruto ka ukwana kurwa sensemeyo nigate abuna goika aroka na kubwatie kanisa so ikagendere kubwatie kanisa asemerimeri bagendere togo korembia na komochia balia bakugikirio kubwaterana kwaye ne kanisa.
Zingine zinasema ati makanisa mengine yatafungwa. Zingine zinasema matoleo kanisani sijui iko na maneno gani. I want to assure the church and the religious organizations in Kenya that Kenya shall continue to be a nation that is God-fearing. Tutahakikisha ya kwamba Kenya itazidi na kuwa na nchi ambayo inamheshimu na inaabudu Mungu. Yale masauti madogo ni maneno tu ya wanasiasa ambao wanatafuta kura kidogo hapa na pale. But they will not succeed in turning around our nation. Nataka pia mjue ya kwamba katika safari hii sisi hata tukikuja kanisani, tunakuja kanisani kwa sababu sisi ni Wakristo kwanza, alafu ni viongozi baadaye. Na tutashirikiana na nyinyi kanisani. Watu wengine hawaelewi.
Na boigo chinga kicho mubwazimio la umoja niko bagendera ne chikambeni chiabo asari tukolia kane imeye county ya Nairobi bakona kurwa senseme yo niko bate abuna bagendera kumubwati umurewe kyama geode murero dinga asobo chorio bonebole bosia sebo iko barokana kumomochia omukonyo umurewense na kumugania nyale ko amaskani umurewe kyama geode muna boigo umurewense anene asobo chorio bonene bole bosio.
Na tunataka kumwambia Mheshimiwa William Ruto, nilisikia jana akisema ati rais aondoke ati apambane na Raila direct. Mimi nataka kuambia Ruto, hata una bahati rais amesimama mbele, kwa sababu ukipatana na baba mundu utapata tabu sana ndugu yangu. Be very careful what you wish for.
Tunajua timu ya Ruto washaogopa, na raundi hii we will teach them a political lesson. Kama ni maji Raila ataleta, kama ni barabara Raila atatengeneza, kama ni shule Raila atalipa fees. Asanteni sana.
Leo tumesema Nairobi ni ngome ya Raila Amolo Odinga, na yule anayekuja kutembea tembea mwambie kwao ni kule mbali, hapa ni kwa baba nyumbani.
Madhara timu, hii msafara ni ya Raila Amolo Odinga. Ni ya nani? Raila Amolo Odinga. Haya, nimesema ya kwamba wageni wakuje, wageni wamekaribishwa, lakini hapa CJ ndio anaguruma. Na
boigomo waziri w'uburimi Peter Munya hamwe n'umugavana we county ya Nairobi hani kananu ni gobono banyareba kwa bolia bwate na boigaba menye kurase county ya Tharaka Nithi kone kibunanko mwabara koboko omorai na boigo omoko omorai we kyama gya ODM Raila Odinga anasobocho lyobonene bole bosioni go chinga kyekyo Munya anyaraka gote babuna ni kubaligeti kubwata na hamo ne byamabinde asiganga yo kumuligeria omorai we kyama gya ODM Raila Odinga chikura chinyinge no nabo Munyani gate yabuna nonye Jubilee yabwatanete amo ne kyama gya ODM asobocho libole bosio nigo Jubilee tigarete tendrete ayani gaikiraniti waseganga yogo tware handshake as sebaligetie konyara kwa bwatania abakenya bonsi.
Tuingie ODM, sisi ni watu wa Jubilee. Sawa sawa? Sisi ni watu wa nini? Sisi ni watu wa nini? Wa Jubilee. Ile tunafanya na ODM ni urafiki. Ile inaitwa partnership. Tutengeneze serikali pamoja, tugawe pamoja. Sawa sawa? Wakuwe na viti yao na sisi huwa na viti yao yetu. Lakini wale wengine wanatuambia wataki kuzungumza na mtu. Wanasema wataki kuzungumza na mtu. Akija huku Meru na Mount Kenya anasema hapa ni bedroom yake, hataki kuzungumza na mtu. Kuna eneo haina viongozi. Totea tongeria Meru.
Nataka niwaambie kwa historia ya Tharaka Nithi hatujawahi kaa nje ya serikali. Na mtu ambaye anataka kutuweka nje ya serikali ni mtu anatudanganya. Na tuambiane ukweli. Hii barabara ya Tharaka kuteremka kwenda Siaka Market ishaitengenezwa. Si tuko na miaka 10. Tumekuwa na mtu miaka 10 katika serikali. Kwa nini hajatengeneza hii barabara ikuwe na lami itufikishe Siaka Market? Kwa nini hatuna modern markets? Kwa hiyo market. Kwa sababu huyo ni mtu ambaye ameweka tumbo yake mbele kuliko nyinyi wananchi wa Siaka. Tuko pamoja. Azimio. Nairobi iko locked na Raila Amolo Odinga kwa sababu Uhuru Muigai Kenyatta being the president of the Republic of Kenya, he has shown us the way.
Na boigo mulikyo botambe hase wizara y'uburiro Dr. Nere Karanja Kibichu ni gobono hanyarega ko baligania ababwatani korwa ase kyama kya UDM ye county ya Kirinyaga aho banyara gosoa ase kyama gya Jubilee ni gochinga kechi Karanja Kibichu anyara gote bunahonde bwensi na bwato kubwabo gosoa ase kyama kende gyonse anekero bochori bogendrete kogendra hawo ababwatani awe kyama kya UDA ni kubono bawuchiko ibwateranya benne kyama gya Jubilee anegosoa asensemo ya Azimio la Umoja eliko mwakereko kona kumuligire chikura chinyinge hombora iwe kyama gya ODM Raila Odinga asobocho lyobonene bole bosio.
Kibicho ni mfanyakazi wa serikali mwenye anajua sheria, anatii sheria na mwenye anaheshimu demokrasia ya nchi hii. Tunajua kila mtu ako na uhuru wa kujiunga na ile chama anataka. Kila mtu ako na uhuru wa kutembea mahali anataka. Kila mtu ako na uhuru wa kuongea mahali ya ile kitu anataka.
Na gotigara boiga samangana haringete na siasa ni gomu gavana we county ya Laikipia Ndizi Murithi anyareka gote abuna onde bwensi na bwato bosubole bokoligie kergo kyobo gavana se county yo nere na tayari 10 onde bwensi uraganie keroge kyo kolengana na Ndizi Murithi igate bire bune kergo kyobo gavana se county yo nare no kubwa nero gochigokera kubwatekana ni gakorra manga senseme yo na bantu bachikumuirania asentunde ya kabene gochinga kekyo abodi onde bwensi ore tayari sokie banyare 14 asekero gikyo na kugania abantu baba asobwamo ayekero keri bagendrete kubwatania abantu gwetera azimio la umoja igangenene no kumurigeria omorai gwekya magya odemrera moro dinga chikure chingo kurwa sensemeyo yale kipya.
I am a child of Mau Mau. And if you want to compete with me, step forward. Let us compete democratically. Na nitakunyorosha. Na si kujidai, nitakunyorosha kwa kazi yangu. Si kujidai. Kura si yangu, ni ya hawa wagwana wa Laikipia. Wakiamua ni Nderitu Moreithi, insha Allah itakuwa ni Nderitu Moreithi. Kwa hivyo, niwaulize tena, tafadhali viongozi wa vyama hizi ziko hapa, itabidi tuwe pamoja. Na chairman wa KANU Fresh aliwaonyesha hesabu, tukigawa kura, tukiwa watu wawili au watatu kwa kiti, yule tunabishana atapita hapo.
Monchumu ligiriye nyorobono niko gendrete ko yabwati na ko yonyara yonzi gwetera Ndizi TV hobwansubo mugusia sorobo tiruri gotwambuke oikasense mo ye chigoso litukulia lero ekemina no niko kyanyara ko kolekana sense geti kia wendo gati ye timu ya Shabana ama na Fortune Sacco agabu sense meli ya National Super League NSL ni gobono Shabana hamoni timu ya Fortune Sacco wanyaro kurwa makale eguriye mo seguriye mo roboti rutuko kumanyia asenchira ere enkirano.
Sawa, kwa majina naitwa Nicodemus Masete, Fortune Sacco coach. Tunasema tumecheza ugenini, Shabana ni timu nzuri na tulikuwa tuna expect a tough match. Tumeweza kutoa point away kama nilivyosema na nikaahidi mashabiki ya kwamba tutakuja wendo na tuwezi toka mkono mtupu. Leo tumeweza kupata point moja na tuna matumaini ya kwamba first leg ikiisha tutaweza kuzoa hizo point zingine ambazo zimebaki sita. Tumebaki na game mbili, baki na game moja nyumbani na game nyingine away. Tuna matumaini ya kwamba tutaweza kutafuta hizo point zote sita ambapo tumalize kwa ligi first leg tukiwa nambari 1.
Still bado ni positive juu ya lose but we lose concentration baada ya kufunga kidogo, hiyo ndio imetuharibia familia yetu, but bado si mbaya juu tunachukua positive. Zile mistakes tumemake kidogo lazima tuenda kurekebisha.
Okay. Monchumu ligiri wana haso roboti ruwa sensemo ye chikosori buna etimu ya Shabana sekemina na kirikia National Super League banyara kuruwa makale gori ya Masa Eyemo ni timu ya Fortune Sacco nonko nyakiro musumali mangana ya senchira yobo ikirano ayunga tiyari tawatogo kwaliganiria chikoroga isato buna botamba seli boaningira na semeseiga nyari koko sansamuranira na kukumanya senchira yobo ikirano walimanstu wabwatira na semese ya mangana ya nkoba kirambiyemono na yomuligilia soko choroko ya tengera kurwa Ndizi TV obwansubo mugusi oli twabwatira nera kurwa somono wimanyiririo igakoro kwa Joshua Auta na inchiri tirane nkoroko Vincent Onyancha.